Borrowing a book from the library. Learning English through conversation with grammar beats. Entering the library.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Asking for help.
I need help with something.
Certainly.
The student explains the problem clearly.
I can't find the book I want.
What book are you looking for?
Always tell the librarian the name of the book.
I am looking for the Jungle Book.
Let me check. No one has borrowed the book. Look in the fiction section under the name of the author.
The librarian guides the student to the correct shelf.
Can you show me the shelf?
Yes, follow me.
Let us assume the book is not available right now, because someone has borrowed it.
Someone may have taken it.
Suggesting alternatives. The librarian suggests other books that might interest the student.
But I really wanted to read it.
I understand. You might also like these books by the same author.
Finding more resources. The librarian helps the student find more resources to explore the topic in depth.
Can I borrow these books?
Yes, you can borrow them. These resources will help you learn more about your topic.
Taking the next step.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to read these.
Happy reading. Let me know if you need anything else.
What we learned. We can find books using the library database. Librarians can guide us to the right resources. There are many ways to explore and learn. The library is full of knowledge and the librarian is here to help you make the most of it. Let us assume the student wants to know if the library will get another copy. But the librarian says, they will reserve the book for the student.
Will you be getting another copy anytime soon?
No, but we can reserve the book for you. We will let you know as soon as it is returned to the library.
Thank you, that would be nice.
Reserving a book. The librarian can reserve a book for you. When you reserve a book, the book is set aside for you. You will be notified as soon as it is available. Let's remember, the librarian can help you locate a book in the library if you ask for help. You or the librarian can check whether the book is available in the database and whether or not it has been borrowed from the library. If the book has been borrowed by another student, the librarian can reserve a book for you. You will be notified when the book becomes available.